Hey, hi everybody, Tokyo Man here with another video. Today is not a vlog. I just want to show you guys things I recently bought for my bike. My bike's a Ducati Monster 400 IE 2005, and for you guys that are unfamiliar with the 400, it's actually the exact same bike as the Ducati Monster 620. So any parts I bought for it will fit your 620 no problem. Actually, a lot of parts I bought were specifically made for a Ducati Monster 620, and it fits just fine. So I'll talk about it in a while. Anyway, long story short, my bike's in the shop right now. I'm gonna pick it up tomorrow. She just had a new paint job and new fenders, new paint on the rear cowl. I got to install some frame sliders on it. Dealer's doing it for me. And new seat and oil change and a few things, you know. So long story short, I got hit by a scooter last year and I went down, so the tank got scratched and got a few scuffs, and I had to change the shifter and all this stuff. But anyways, so I'm gonna get it back tomorrow, and the 3 weeks that I had it in the shop, I ordered a bunch of parts for it. And I just want to show you what I have on hand and a few projects that I have going on that I'll be working on in the next days or week. So mostly electrical. So first of all, I went on eBay and got myself a clear tail light, and this has integrated turn signals as well. I'm not going to use that because I don't think it's legal in Japan, and I want the cops off my back. But it's the unit I got. I paid about $30 for it, and it looks pretty good, and it has the license plate light under as well. So I had done a tail chop on my bike a while ago, so that will complement it pretty good, and I can get rid of the license plate light as well, so I can shove the license plate a bit higher, closer to the tail light. So look forward to have this on. So the kit came like this, with all the wires, with the bullet connectors and the fasteners. I'll change those to actual stainless steel ones because I'm not sure if that's gonna rust or not. But that's the first thing I've got, and yeah, so far it looks pretty good, and I'll update you guys once everything's installed. Next, got these. So these are upgraded turn signals that I bought. So it's from CNC Racing. That's an Italian company. I previously bought from the same company just a oil filler cap on my bike made of billet aluminum, and it looks pretty good. Quality is very nice. So yeah, I thought I'd buy from these guys again. So these are the turn signals. I got two sets right here for the front and the rear of the bike. So let's open this up quick. I'll show you what comes with and what you expect. So, oops, there it is. There's nothing in the box. There's no instructions or anything. Basically, it's just the turn signals, wires, and some rubber grommets. Right? And if you have a stock turn signals on your Ducati Monster, you'll notice that these actually, they're very small compared to the stock ones. Like, it's probably like half the size, so it's gonna clean up the look of the bike a lot. And also the quality is very nice because this is actually metal, not plastic, so that's why I went for it. It's a good company, and it's not like the cheap Chinese turn signal you can buy for $5 on eBay. So these were a bit more expensive. I paid maybe $150 for the set, and that includes also the resistors for it, front and back. So it's not a bad price. I got it from a company in the UK called Design Course. I'll put the link in the video description. So nice company. They're really good customer service. Got a bit of a discount as well for buying again from them, because the first thing I bought was the oil filler cap and I got like 30% off from this for the next purchase. It was pretty nice. So yeah, this I look forward to have them on. Should be pretty bright, it's LEDs, and it also has the LED in the back as well, so pretty nice unit. One thing to mention though, I have to crimp on some connectors to it. So I bought a set on eBay from China. It's like $3 or something. So I'm gonna put that on, solder it on and stuff. And I got the shrink wrap tubing as well. Make a nice, clean, professional and watertight job. So this is the turn signals. Put down the side. And last but not least, and that's the one I'm most excited about, is the headlight. So from the back, you can see it's not stock, it's an LED headlight, but I'm gonna say something pretty interesting about this. So I'll turn this around. Ta-ta! Right? So basically this is a 7-inch LED light designed for, out of all things, a Jeep Wrangler or Harley-Davidson, and I'm making it fit into my Ducati Monster, so that's pretty cool. Story about this, I really wanted to buy the Motodemic headlight kit they had, but it was like $500 almost, and I don't really ride much at night, and I couldn't justify spending that kind of money at this moment to upgrade the headlight on my bike. So I decided to look on eBay, and I found this unit for like I think $60, and of course it's from China, right, or Hong Kong, whatever, but it looks pretty good. You know, it's not the design is not a rip-off from JW Speaker or Motodemic or whatever, so it has its own distinct design, and I think it looks pretty cool. And so far, from looking at it and testing it, it works good, and it looks really nice. So I dig the look of it a lot. The only thing worth to mention is I had to buy an adapter ring like this one here, the black one around here, to make it fit into the Ducati Monster bezel. So I got it mounted already, and fit is perfect. And I actually bought a new headlight bezel for my bike, used from Yahoo auction, because mine got damaged when I fell. So yeah, it looks pretty cool. And that's from the back view. You reuse the clips that come with the bike, and you just have to bend them. Right, they're supposed to be straight, and you just bend them, and then you snap it in, and it's really solid and really tight. So I'm quite pleased with that. And it uses the same H4 connector that will be plug and play basically with the motorcycle, so that's pretty nice. And this extra wire here is for the daytime running light, which is those 2 bars here. So I have to figure out a way to make that work, but I might use these lights as the parking lights for the bike. So I just have to do a bit of modification to wire it in, but it should be pretty easy. So this is pretty much ready to go on my bike as soon as I get it back. So I think it looks pretty good, and once I'm done the install and see if it works properly and everything, I will do a walk around the bike for you guys and give you my thoughts on this light, if it's, you know, efficient, it works well, if it's an upgrade over stock or not. So I'm pretty sure it will be, but it looks really nice. And that's it for now. I recently installed the MIV exhaust as well on my bike, and that is, I took the baffles out, and that is crazy loud, so I have to find a solution to make it more loud than with stock baffles in, but not as crazy as it is without. So to find a solution there. But yeah, I'm looking forward to getting my bike tomorrow and do a walk around for you guys and show you the brand new paint job. Also have other things coming in which I won't make videos about. So yeah, please subscribe to my channel, support me, and I'll give the encouragement to make more videos and bring my own thoughts or ideas into my bike build and give you guys opinions and thoughts on how to do things differently and on a budget for your bike. So hopefully I can be helpful to you guys. I say the headlight idea, I think I might be the only one who does that conversion onto Ducati Monster. I don't know, but we'll see how it pans out. Thank you very much for watching, and again, please subscribe and share the video. That would help me huge. And again, thanks for watching.